What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Canva videos. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website and then you need to head over to the home page, and when you're redirected to the home page, here you will see the video section. Click on this and then here you will see multiple options to upload your videos if you have any on your PC, and if you don't have any video, you can choose any of the pre-built video templates from Canva. After choosing, click on it once and then in the new tab the pre-built template video will open, and from here on the left side you will see the editing section to edit this video. So on the left side here, you can see there are multiple options. So if you want to directly add audio, click on this add audio button to add an audio. But if you don't want it like this, click on apps. And after clicking on apps, here you need to scroll down a bit until you see the audio section. Click on this and then here you will see the music free. Click on this. So here you will see all the free music which are available on Canva. You can just simply choose one and then click on it once to add them. And after adding here, you can see the video has been added to the timeline, and this is how you can add the music in a Canva video. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.